Alright, you lazy Today we're creating a game using only 5 nodes. How are you able to do that? Because I'm good. Also, I'm cheating. Okay, you might be wondering why I already have a character animations. Well, we created them in the last 2 videos from scratch, and they don't affect the gameplay, so no cheating! Still playing by the rules. The first thing we'll do is create a simple actor blueprint. In here we'll add a cube and a collision box. I guess that most of my viewers are noobs at Unreal, since they're busy getting laid all the time. So the collision box will allow us to detect if something is going inside of it. But to use this, we need an on-event actor begin overlap. Fortunately for us, we already have one created for us, so no cheating! Still by the rules. So whenever another actor like a character enters our collision box, the thing leading out to this arrow will happen. Now the first node we are going to use is the cast with BP third person character, aka our character. This node will take in an object and see if it belongs to the same class as the class it is casting to. So we provide it with the object that is currently overlapping with our collision box. So if it is our character that is in the collision box, this will come out as true, and we'll do whatever comes out of this arrow. If instead, let's say a Gmod admin that likes talking to small kids were to be inside of the collision box. What? I haven't even moved. Oh, yeah, makes sense. Anyways, the cast then fails because the thing on our collision box isn't our character, so we'll do nothing. Now as the character's blueprint, we get access to its variables. Let's now go into the third person character's blueprint and create a variable by pressing here. Now we want this to be an integer and name it to something that makes it easy and understandable for us to use. Like, Among Us in real life, sus, Among Us in real life, sus, playing Among Us in real life, spaceship character. Gotta find the imposter, because we all got tasked to do. Or score. Back in our other blueprint, we'll now, as the third person character's blueprint, set the score variable. And now we need to tell the program what to set it to. So we'll also get the value of the score variable and then add a plus node. We then plug the value of the score value in here and make this a 1. And then plug the result into the set score node. This will take the value of the score variable, then pass it into our add node, which increments it by 1. We then give the result to our set node. Finally, we'll... What? Oh my, is that a... subscribe node? Okay, the final thing we'll do is destroy our actor, because yeah, this is what happens otherwise. Fun game! So what happens is that we check if our character enters the collision box, and if it does, we'll first see what the score variable is, and then we'll take the score and add 1 to it. Next, we update the value of the score variable to be 1 more than what it was before, and finally, our actor gets destroyed. Now, if we want to, you can change the shape and color of our mesh here, and I want to, and voila! That's friend. I changed the map a bit without using the node. No cheating! Rules still apply! And there we have it, a very fun game, only using 5 nodes. Kinda.